Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I will continue comparing powerful ERP solutions from Microsoft, Dynamics 365 Business Central, and Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations. Now it's called the Finance and Supply Chain Management. In this video, we'll go over 3 differences in supply chain and manufacturing perspective. I went over 2 big differences in finance section in the previous video, so feel free to watch that video as well. So let's go over the third difference between Business Central and Finance and Supply Chain Management. So third will be the item tracking dimension. Item tracking dimensions are used to monitor and manage inventory at the detail level. And these dimensions include serial numbers, lot numbers, and expiration dates, which help business track individual items throughout their life cycle. And this is especially important for manufacturing and distribution companies that offer products in various size, color, materials, and more, such as those in pharmaceutical, chemical, food and beverage, and parts industries. So Business Central can track items in 2 ways, which are serial tracking and lot tracking. And when it comes to managing product variants, Business Central offers basic support through item variants, allowing users to define simple variations such as size and color. However, Finance and Supply Chain Management provides a much more robust system using product dimensions, which includes size, color, style, and configuration. And this enables enterprise to easily manage complex product structures. And inventory tracking by dimensions refers to ability to track inventory not just by item, but by additional attributes such as site, warehouse, batch, and serial number. And these dimensions allow businesses to know where inventory is stored, which batch it belongs to, and which specific unit was sold or used. And this clarification helps distinguish item dimensions, like size or color, from tracking dimensions, which are more operational and logistical in nature. And this is the area where Finance and Supply Chain Management excels. It supports full tracking across multiple dimensions and allows users to define dimension groups and automatically generate variant combinations, significantly reducing manual effort. And it also includes matrix views for managing these combinations visually, a feature not available in Business Central. On the other hand, Business Central is great for lightweight variant tracking using item variants, which is better suited for small businesses that don't need heavy item tracking requirements. Fourth will be the demand forecasting. Demand forecasting is supported in both Business Central and Finance and Supply Chain Management, but the depth and flexibility of the feature differs significantly. So Business Central offers basic forecasting tools. You can manually enter sales or production forecasts or import them from Excel. And these forecasts feed into planning worksheet to help generate supply orders. However, it doesn't include built-in statistical models or AI. And forecasting is done by item and by period, like daily or monthly. While it's simple, it works well for businesses with steady demand patterns. And if more advanced forecasting is needed, Business Central can be extended using tools like Power BI, Azure Machine Learning, or third-party apps. On the other hand, Finance and Supply Chain Management includes a dedicated demand forecasting module, and it uses time series model and it integrates with Azure Machine Learning for AI-driven predictions. And you can forecast by product, customer, or location, and it includes features like automatic forecasting generation, historical trend analysis, and outlier detection. And it's tightly integrated with master planning, making it ideal for complex supply chains. So in short, Business Central offers a straightforward, manual approach that's easy to use and flexible. And Finance and Supply Chain Management provides a more advanced, automated solutions for organizations that needs high accuracy and scalability in their forecasting. And last will be the manufacturing type. Let's look at how Business Central and Finance and Supply Chain Management support different manufacturing types. For discrete manufacturing, which involves assembling products from components, Business Central provides solid support with production orders, routing, bill of materials, and work centers. And it works well for make-to-stock, make-to-order, and assembly-to-order scenarios. However, it has limited capabilities for complex routing or multi-level planning. Finance and supply chain management, on the other hand, offers full support with advanced features like engineering change management, product configuration, and subcontracting, making it ideal for more complex operations. For process manufacturing, such as in food and beverage, Business Central has limited support. However, it's important to know that many food and beverage companies still use Business Central effectively. So they rely on core manufacturing tools like bills of materials and production orders to manage their processes. And while it may not support advanced process manufacturing out of the box, Business Central can be extended with third-party solutions to meet more complex needs. In contrast, finance and supply chain management includes full native support for process manufacturing, with built-in capabilities for formulas, batch attributes, compliance tracking, and more, making it ideal for highly regulated or specialized industries. For lean manufacturing, which focuses on efficiency and reducing waste, it is not natively supported in Business Central. While some lean principles can be mimicked using assembly orders or custom workflows, but it's limited. For finance and supply chain management, it fully supports lean with built-in tools like Kanban boards, production flows, and event-based scheduling. So in short, Business Central is great for simpler, discrete manufacturing needs, while finance and supply chain management is built for advanced, multi-style manufacturing environment. But we also see many clients in food and beverage manufacturing industries using basic Business Central manufacturing features, in fact. So this part 2 video covered difference in supply chain management and manufacturing. And I hope this comparison gave you a clear understanding of how Dynamics 365 Business Central and Finance and Supply Chain Management support different business needs. And again, each solution has its own strength, and the right choice really depends on your company's size, complexity, and growth plans. And now I would like to quickly compare the cost difference between Business Central and Finance and Supply Chain Management. This is not the comparison of the features, but this may be the key consideration for decision makers, so I would like to share with you. So Business Central is a cost-effective ERP solution tailored for small to mid-sized businesses. It offers a budget-friendly entry point for companies looking to streamline operations, with the monthly cost per users ranging from $80 to $110. And one of the outstanding benefits is the minimal user requirement. You can start with just one user. The implementation costs typically range from $25K to $500K plus in US dollars, depending on the scope and complexity. And Business Central provides strong functionalities across financial management, inventory, sales, and light manufacturing. And it integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, Power Platform, and third-party apps, enabling businesses to automate workflows and gain insights without heavy customizations. And for growing companies, Business Central offers a flexibility to scale as needs evolve, without overwhelming upfront costs. So finance and supply chain management is built for larger organizations with complex, multi-entity operations. And the monthly cost per user starts at $210 and can exceed $240, reflecting its advanced capabilities. And unlike Business Central, finance and supply chain management requires a minimum of 20 users, which aligns with its enterprise-grade positioning. And implementation costs are significantly higher, typically ranging from $250K to over $1 million, especially for global deployments. However, this investment brings access to deep functionalities in areas like advanced financials, manufacturing, warehousing, procurement, and compliance. And finance and supply chain management supports high volume transactions, sophisticated automation, and robust reporting, making it ideal for organizations with demanding operational and regulatory requirements. And its scalability and depth ensures long-term value for enterprises seeking digital transformation across departments and geographies. So, finance and supply chain management could be a pretty competitive solution against the enterprise ERP, such as SAP and Oracle, from the cost and feature perspectives. So, Business Central is best for companies seeking agility, affordability, and ease of use, while finance and supply chain management is suited for enterprises that need depth, scalability, and global capabilities. And understanding these cost and capability differences helps ensure a better aligned ERP strategy. So we went over a lot in this part 2 video, but if you haven't already watched part 1 that covers finance and compliance, I'll put the link on the description, so feel free to watch that as well. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like to see next. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!